What's up, guys? There is the bell. Let's go. SPY is sitting like right on the trend line right now. Let's go. Let's have a day. Oh, nice. Martin, Vincent, Jamie, Joe, and Rick. Let's go. Appreciate you guys being here. Easy Rider Danger as well. SPY is sitting right on that trend, as I said whenever the stream started. This is huge today. YouTube also did not change my thumbnail, so thank you for that, YouTube. I appreciate you doing that with Powell. I actually posted a picture in the SM chat that even proves I have the thumbnail changed, but they do not want it there, so it is what it is. But hey, I appreciate you guys joining up. I know it's not Jackson Hole, but let's go. Yeah, let's go. Vincent, Jamie, Martin. Joe says, stop putting the streams up and you're not here. Okay, Joe, okay. It's called the pre-stream, my guy. You know, a lot of people do that before you come out. You know, they sit there for a couple minutes, let the viewers join up and stuff. That's usually a common occurrence when streams start, so. Easy Rider Danger, how you doing? Let's go. Let's go. All right, though, the SPY is coming up right into that trend line. Like I said, guys, that is going to be crucial here to start things off. Now, I know that this trend line, it's not like, hey, like this is going to move the market necessarily, right? But it could. We've had some perfect hits off of this over the past couple of weeks. Look at some of these touches. It has been perfect touches and then moves right off to the downside. So I'll be watching this for a hit right here again and another drop down. Now, it would be nice if we could get like back under 442 here, which we actually tried, but that might hold up as a bit of support, but we are really, really close to it. That line, I mean, and if we do reject, that could be a fun play to the downside. So seriously, watch that level, but I'm also watching it just as a precautionary move back to the upside. There could always be that breakout that comes in, and I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it happened. So we'll be watching this area very, very closely as we decide, you know, kind of, hey, are we going to be with the Bulls or the Bears this week? And I feel like the market's doing the same thing. It's kind of conflicted. Almost up to 442.50. And now let's check Apple, Microsoft, Tesla. They're starting to pull back off to the downside. A lot of redness coming in here, so watch the SPY. It could hit off of this trend and come down, especially with Apple and all these other stocks going crazy like they are. Corbin says he thinks I could do a longer pre-stream. Oh, man. I don't know about that, Corbin. Sometimes I sit here and I'm like, oh, man, hurry up. Join so I can start. Yeah, exactly. I'm a little hesitant too, Easy Rider. 100%. Ooh, HE's popping. Nice. Hawaiian Electric. Maybe it'll come out that it actually wasn't their fault, and then they'll do a little bit better. Have you guys seen any new, what would you call it? Any new revelations with that, with HE or Hawaiian Electric stuff? How do you guys feel about that? Did you guys see all the stuff going on with like the energy weapons and all that crap people are talking about? I'm not saying it's not possible, but I don't know. And people are talking about energy weapons being used there. I know it went all over because even like my dad, who like he's not even into conspiracy stuff. He was like, oh, wow, yeah. It's important to be hesitant. Oh, wow. SPY broke, guys. Broke the trend. And we actually broke it last week. So, wow. We have to hope there's no fake outs coming in. But watch 444 as we start to move up. That's going to be pretty big. Pretty darn big. Wow, we're already hitting 443, so there we go, SPY. It's breaking out, and I saw the other stocks dropping. I guess they're coming back, though, now. Yeah. There we go. Apple's recovering back. Good stuff, Apple. That's a pretty good green candle coming in. Go check out the Microsoft again. Same thing. Both kind of moving back up. What about Amazon? Okay. Silver? I was eyeing up silver today. Oh, really, silver? You're just going to sit down here. Don't be doing that, silver. Come on. Ha. This is so funny. There's a reverse split on AMC, and some poor guy in the Discord thought it went up. He was like, am I tripping or is AMC up 300%? He probably looked and was like, oh my God, it's $11. I remember that happened to me one time. Did the same thing. Did the same exact thing. All right, what about Boeing here? One of my favorites lately. They're starting to come back. I know Friday they had that big recovery back up, which was nice. Today they're kind of breaking 225. I like that short-term resistance there, so good thing we're breaking. They're also kind of following a trend, but it's an upwards trend on this one. There we go, though, Boeing. Not bad. What about Citigroup? Come on, Citi. Nano Dimensions looking good. Right around $3 a share. They look like they're actually getting some pretty good bounces off these supports coming back. I like this. Some of the growth stocks lately have been enticing to me, like Zoom, PayPal. A lot of these stocks that have been destroyed. Right? Those are kind of the growth stocks I'm watching lately. The ones that have been hit hard. HE halted. Whoa. I guess it makes sense looking at the chart too. The thing's ripping. 1450. Christian got some Netflix. Beautiful. He's doing the dip buy again. Always doing the dip buys with you, Christian. Love that strategy too. Some people are dip buyers, some people are the opposite, but good shit, Christian. Like those strats and always making nice plays out there. Come on, SLV. You got to move up today with what's going on. Tesla, holy crap, guys. Down to 239.30. Whoa. Same thing with Apple. $179, man. This is not looking good on Apple. These stocks are getting brutalized to the downside. Brutalized. And that should mean SPY's coming down. So keep an eye on this trend here. Maybe we will go down off of it. That would be pretty cool if we hit here and move down. Then that's what I've really been waiting for all day. So I'm really hoping that that's how the market ends up playing out here for real. And like I said at the beginning of the stream, guys, sorry about it saying Jackson Hole on the stream. YouTube would not change my thumbnail for some reason. Even though it's changed, I don't know why they wouldn't do it. I gotta see that, actually. Kyle in the Discord just said that the chart looks like VIX whenever you look at AMC. Let's see. I want to add VIX on here and just... It probably looks really close. Because I know it inverses the SPY. That's pretty funny. Yeah, it's been following the VIX a little bit. A little bit. Not totally, though. Not as much. I actually thought it would have been following it more, but... Damn, that's brutal when you look at the AMC daily. Feel bad for all the AMC holders out there. I don't think I've ever said to buy this one, so it's not my fault if you're holding it. I'm sorry. I'll pray for it. Really, I might have to make a shrine for AMC or something. I still owe a shrine to GameStop because I didn't think they'd get above 100. But they did. Got the 500. I appreciate it, Llama. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's doing awesome. Hey, thanks, Mixter. You too, you too. Let me know what stocks you guys are watching this morning. I'm going to bring up my watch list here. Let's see what we got. We have Triple M leading the way. Nice. And we have a member called 3M as well. Nice. So we have 3M popping, not doing bad. FSLY. Looking good to the upside as well. Higher than $22. Baba moving up. 92.25. 92.50 at the high today. Maybe that could be a good breakout to look at. Whoa, VFS. Okay, okay. It had a good move, but... Wow, okay. Thing's up to $92 now. It could go a lot higher with how this hype is. I don't know how high it could get, but... I'm not going to buy it, but you know how this is sometimes. Amazon looks brutal. Let's see. AMZN. Oh my gosh, it does. Mike talked about this one as his play from last night, I believe. One of them. You look at these supports like 130 and 131. Huge right here. Hey, what's up? What's up? Let's go. Hope you guys are having a good Monday. What's up, Muhammad? BFS, another GameStop type play. Curious what the shorts are doing with it. Not playing it either. Yeah, I mean, it's tough to say, right? Like, you can never really... It's hard to tell in the moment what they're doing because they normally have to report it later and all that type of stuff. But I would think that there is a lot of shorts jumping into this mixture. There's got to be a lot of shorts coming in here. I would assume, like... I would bet you, like, hedge funds and etc. are going to come into this and just wipe it out. Just wipe it out. So, that's kind of what I'm thinking. I do think it'll be another GameStop type of play, yes. And no, I don't think it'll go to 500. I think it'll get destroyed, like GameStop's gotten destroyed. Let's look at that daily on GameStop again. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of think something like this will happen. Not necessarily the same movement, but something pretty close, right? Something pretty close. Still playing that good music still. Hope you guys like it. Go back to Amazon and Microsoft. SPY, how we doing? All right, still holding up above the trend line, even with these stocks kind of coming down. It's holding up just fine, so not bad. If you're in the premium portion of the Discord, we just had a bot play come out, just so you know. If you're in the premium, that is. No, Corbin, that was Hunter who did that one. I think he just said he would run naked through the store, though. He didn't have to do it, thank God, but that was a good one. At least we would get to see some quality content if Hunter got to run naked through the store. I think he was going to go run through Walmart. Oh, yeah, I'm still holding SQQQ for sure. Yep, for right now, I am holding SQQQ. Still holding that. Have it out to October. Now, I would have loved to have gotten rid of it around highs now that, you know, hindsight's here, but I still think that we could see a solid drop down. This Friday actually starts the beginning of September, or as some people call it, Septiembre, but it's pretty good. Ooh, let's see SLV. It's pretty good, though. Silver's at my price someone put in here. Very nice. But yeah, still holding SQQQ. I still think that we'll be okay here as we go. Yeah, when I start to just zoom out on some of these, I think that this recent uptrend has just been like a pullback to the upside, and I think we'll still see more downwards movement. Last week, I was actually looking for some uptrend, so I don't know if you remember that, but last Sunday and last Monday, I was saying, yeah, we're going to kind of watch the market to pop up a couple days and then go down later in the week or next week, and now we're into next week, and I think that the market will start to come down a little bit more. Now, the SPY continuing to break this trend is definitely worrying me a little bit. But as long as SPY stays under like 443 here, we're still in play. I'm not necessarily enjoying this price action today, though. Very mixed on the SPY. Whenever you go look at QQQ and the other big tech stocks, they actually look a lot better, in my opinion, especially to the downside. The SPY is really holding up. I would assume banks are doing pretty good. Yep, exactly. Bank of America, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo. All moving up. Got the banks. Which I'm not happy with. Oh, wow. You have a 7-day expiration on SQQQ. Uh-oh. Now, that's a lot scarier. That's a lot scarier than mine. Mine still have plenty of time, and we're like way above our strike price, so we're pretty good. But, man. Yeah, fingers crossed for sure. I'm kind of looking for that downtrend this week, so I think you'll be in play, Muhammad. You got this. Hey, Under, what's up? Aloha. Mahalo. Hope everyone's having a good morning, and I hope I hope they're also having a good weekend. Next well, I should say this week. I don't know what to say. This week, next week. I'm all over the place today. I can't talk. But but I think it's Labor Day next week, so I think the market is going to be off, which is cool. Or closed, I guess we could say. Let me double check. Here's our holiday hours on the NYSE. Yep, Labor Day, September 4th. So yeah, this upcoming Monday, the market's going to be closed. So Friday is going to kick off September with September 1st. And then next week, I guess September will start on Tuesday the 5th. Watch out this Friday. Hopefully we don't start the month off in the wrong way. I know we started August off pretty bad. August 1st was terrible. Yeah. Hey, yeah, I guess if you just get to break even, are you already down on it? Are you down on SQQQ? Dang. Yeah, a little bit more choppier today than last week. I'm seeing some people complain about it in the Discord, of course. Makes sense. QQQ moving down to around 365. Not bad. Wow, we're getting some solid movement now. SPY's dropping back below the trend line, guys. That's huge. 441.80 now. Big drops back down out of this market. I bet those banks are turning over. No, they are not, but we're just getting these big tech stocks really selling. Nvidia's breaking the low of last week, I think. Oh, well, maybe not Monday's low of last week, but it's breaking the big support last week around 452 and 450. So that is huge there. Breaking out of the box. Hell yeah. Jack in the box, baby. Come on, Boeing. Kind of liking that movement today. Rejections at 225. Okay. Palantir. Let's go. Nope. Nothing from Palantir. That's awesome, though. Good support, $14.50 on Palantir. I know a few people eye that one up sometimes. DraftKings looking good too. Sorry guys, had to help somebody real quick. Ponzi said Rutro. Uh-oh. Falling over though again. It's getting very conflicted today. Really choppy. A very choppy type of day, which sometimes this happens and it makes sense, you know. Sometimes that's the case. Wow. Some people in the Discord, they're like, BRB, gonna go microwave my brain. Oh my god. Yeah, SPY is just really conflicted here. It's one of those weird type of days. Weird movement. I would say find the sector that's popping off and play that, like the banks right now. Those banks are holding everything up. What else is holding the market higher? So we got banks. What else? I'm just waiting for the market to make its mind up. That's kind of what I'm doing too, Corbin. I've been sitting here just waiting for like a good direction. I thought we had it to the downside a second ago, but apparently not. Hopefully we confirm off this trend here or something. That would be perfect. Come on, confirm off of here. I know it's a possibility, but I want to see it. I see so many funny things out there. People are funny now. I've been loving the stuff with GameStop. That Kyle in the chat, that was so funny. He puts in there, someone goes, what's the next support coming up on GameStop? And he goes, yeah, I think he put $0 or something like that. That just had me dying. It's got support at $0. That had me laughing. I'm normally all about playing stocks if they have good movement and stuff, but man, GameStop and AMC are just two things that I never got into. Not even for a second. SQQQ got a little love. I don't know. It needs some more love, I'll tell you. Come on, QQQ. And hey, if you guys are new here, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the like. Let's go. We go live every morning at Market Open. Hopefully tomorrow we get a better opening than today. Oi, Baba. Consolidating pretty good. Maybe it'll come back up after this consolidation. Looking pretty okay. Come on, Baba. I like this bounce. Maybe if like 91.90 could hold, that would be pretty good here. On a short-term price action level. All right, SPY is right back onto the trend. Maybe this could be where we finally have the rejection come in. If you're looking for puts, I am definitely waiting for this reject here. If we get a big hit and a big push down, I might look Be looking at some shorter term SQQQ or SPXS or something like that. Probably SPXS, considering this is the SPY. If it comes in. Could also be like maybe right here. I don't know though, with the way it's moving, it kind of seems like it wants to go up today. Seems like it wants to break up. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me looking at that hourly chart either. September is supposed to be, though, the worst month in the market, so keep that in mind. Let's go check out some of these big levels coming up. AMD, they're up above $100. Apple has a huge level overhead at 180. 180. And 180.25. There's just a bunch of big levels overhead on Apple, actually. Apple has a bunch of big levels everywhere, it looks like, actually. Just a ton came in. All right, Tessie, what about NVIDIA here? NVIDIA is sitting right around 450. That's a big support. Wow. Oh, yeah. Huge. It hit today, and then now there's even more liquidity coming in after that one hit earlier. I'm short SQQ, or I'm short QQQ and SPY today. Nice. Nice, nice. I'm definitely hoping for more downwards movement. There we go, SPY. Very mixed, though, today. Like everyone's saying in the Discord, really choppy type of day. Choppy price action, hard to trade. Not the worst, though. Definitely not the worst. That's pretty funny, Ponzi. I like how you said a little love, Llama. L-U-V, love. You had me thinking of Southwest Airlines. And talking about them, they're ripping today. Weird. The airlines are doing pretty good. I also saw Zom and Oxy were like ripping. CCJ's been having a day too. Pretty good. Not like the best day ever for CCJ, but like let's say you were a shareholder, then today would have been pretty great. Day trading it might have been kind of hard, but did you guys see any interesting news over the weekend or anything big that maybe we should talk about or that you didn't see in yesterday's video? If you do know anything, let me know, or any big events for this week. All I saw was PCE data coming up. There's not really anything overly crazy on anything else as far as big events go. Not that I saw. But if you guys find something, of course, let me know, like I said. Here's our earnings. Oh, God, that looks terrible. Hang on. Maybe I got to do this. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Somehow it got put on like 180p or something. But we have Neo tomorrow before open. I know all the gamblers out there will probably be looking at Neo. PDD is a pretty big one. At Wednesday, we have CrowdStrike, Salesforce, Chewy. Pretty good. Thursday, Dollar General, Campbell's. Lululemon, Broadcom. Quite a bit. I know a lot of you guys, I don't know, maybe not a lot of you guys, but a couple of you have talked about AVGO a lot. Broadcom. And when I go look at them on the daily, I'm like, holy crap, they're high right now. This stock looks like it just wants to fall off hard to the downside. If they have some bad earnings, that could actually be a pretty fun play, I think. Aha. Muhammad said, Neo gonna have good earnings, probably. Uh-oh. Somebody's biased towards Neo. I hope Neo goes up, though, for you. And for everybody. I hope it goes up for the case of Neo. I've been watching him for so long. Way too long. Been watching that one. I know a lot of people have it, too, so it would be nice. He said no is in there. Deliveries are good. Oh, I see. Do you own any, Muhammad? I hope the deliveries are good. I'm curious. I would definitely expect a pretty good growth. I would expect some good growth. I guess the question is will it beat expectations, right? I guess if the market's expecting some good growth, then it needs like extra good growth, but that's the only thing I'm thinking right now on Neo. Pretty cool stock. I like their company overall. $10.50 is a good support. Of course, they are a China stock. I know everybody knows that probably, but just saying it just in case. Lumber keeps dropping, and that may indicate King Dollar got the pimp hand. Uh-oh. King Dollar. Let's go look at that. DXY. I gotta see. Uh-oh. Yeah, I think that DXY will probably go up for a little bit longer here. Personally, I think the dollar will move up. It's weird that the dollar was right at 100. It bounced off 100 like it was like AMD bouncing off 100 or something crazy. Kind of stupid. Nice. Mohammed said they're probably getting in when it's cheaper. China consumers supporting local brand as well. Beautiful. Yeah, like I don't see it much over here in the States, but their numbers always are pretty good. So hopefully we see some steady growth out of them. And I'll tell you what, even if the growth isn't that good and the stock goes down, that'll still make us good opportunities to get in the stock for the long term. So I think Neo's just one of those stocks you just have to keep averaging into as time goes forward. Just keep getting more and more shares and etc. for whenever they finally start to go off. Hell yeah, Muhammad. Good stuff. Good stuff. Thanks for bringing it up. I always enjoy talking about them like that. Nice conversations on these stocks here. Campbell's Soup. Let's have some conversations about soup. No, I'm kidding. I know CrowdStrike and CRM or Salesforce are pretty popular. A lot of people play those. I think Kristen will probably fire a couple of those ones. Chewy out here as well. CHWY. You know, it's been a little while since I've looked at Chewy. They've been dipping quite a bit lately. I feel kind of bad. It's been brutal. I know now why Keisha quit watching us. Down to $26. Jesus. Poor Chewy. I remember she had some Chewy back then. Dang, Chewy. I'm gonna go see what the SM bot has going on over here. Let's see, SM bot. What are we shooting out today? Snowflake puts. Wow, okay. SNOW, we have target on the calls. Walmart is, I bet Kraft's up today. Pretty good. Not the best, not the worst. Nice. Just called out Meta calls, guys. Look at Meta. SM Bot is firing off Meta right now. Oh my gosh. That's pretty cool right now with SM Bot firing off Meta like that. That is a pretty cool setup there. Starting to break the high of day from this morning. Let's go. Let's go, Meta. Oh my God, Ponzi says he loves HRL, the chili with the beans. Man, I know exactly what you're talking about. Exactly what you're talking about. Yeah, I like HRL too. I can't tell you if I'm a big fan of the chili or not, though. I'll admit it. I've only had that chili one time, and I had it on some chili dogs, and I don't even remember how it tasted, to be honest. But yeah, HRL has been actually on a pretty good trend line too. Interesting trend line down there at the bottom. Starting to come back up in a pretty good way. I bet I could clone this thing and let's see if that actually looks perfect. It does. I can clone it and make it a real channel. I don't know. I'll be honest. HRL is scaring me a little bit. Whenever I zoom out on it, that one's a little scary. But I do think it'll probably be okay given that they're a dividend stock. You know, it's not like they're Apple or something, right? Or it's not like they're Nvidia. $39.80, $40. Po man's gourmet. Poor man's Gomet. The lower island is scary looking. What is the lower island? I'm lost. The lower island? Tom, do you or Mike have any PL stats for your bots? I'd be interested. Yeah, Purdy, well, we don't necessarily have P&L, but we definitely keep pretty good stats on them. The P&L, you know, it's a little hard to keep track of because you would have to assume that people have stops at certain levels and etc. So you got to keep that in mind, Purdy. You know, that would have to come into play, but for example, like I have stats on like every sniper bot play, for example, that shows like where we bought in, the low of day, the high of day, etc. Percentages, you know, there's a few different categories. I think whenever we were looking at it, I believe, Purdy, that it was something like 60%. Okay, no. It's the average play pops up like 30% plus. That was last year. This year, I haven't seen the stat on it, Purdy, but last year in 2022, each play on average popped up around 30% on each sniper bot play. Now, of course, you know, like if you didn't have any stop losses in place or you didn't have any, you know, like for example, you still could have lost. Like if you didn't take profits and you had stop losses in wrong places and etc. So, it all comes down also to strategy going into it, but that's pretty much. I could give you some stats, Purdy. I can give you some plays. SPY's moving. Let's see. SPY. Wow, still kind of bouncing off our trend here. Hell yeah. Looking good. Looking really good. Apple's back to 179. Uh-oh. AAPL looking good. Oh, hey, Purdy. By the way, on the StockedUp Live YouTube channel, there's a recap every single week of every single play. So on this channel, if you go to videos, there's a live recap. There was actually one posted 20 hours ago about every play from last week. So I'll shoot you that on Discord if you want it. Or you can just check out this channel as well. Forgot about that, Purdy. That's a good point. SPY move. I hope SPY would actually get a good drop down today, damn it. It's just been sitting here. Look at how choppy this has been. Holy crap, it's been overly choppy, guys. Annoyingly choppy, I would say. That's how choppy it's been. Let's see. Someone asked in Discord, what would be a good strategy for someone who has 100 shares each of Spotify and Amazon regarding covered calls to create some premium without risking my shares being assigned away? Gotta answer him. Hang on. $50 of chop. Just sell low delta like 0.15 delta. Yeah. Keep in mind, though, he's also going to want to keep his ROC fairly high and stuff, too. Not just worrying about delta, but... Yeah, yeah. It all comes around to each other in those Greeks. Yeah, it's all going to depend, Purdy, too, on, like, his ROC and all of that. Yeah, that's what I was trying to get, Purdy. He's in the Discord if you want to go help him out. I think... I can't see their name. Hang on. It's UNC 109. Let's go see Meta real quick. I got a question about that one. These are some pretty crazy moves today. Yeah, that's what I'm saying too, Purdy. I always also do that. I never sell a call less than my average cost. I actually put that in Discord if you read that. That was like the first thing I said. I said I usually just sell covered calls above my average price. That was my first thing. Big agree with that one. How do I get this reaction? I gotta get this one. God dang, market. What are you doing? Look at the QQQ right now, just exploding. Straight up exploding. Damn. Yeah, I like that rolling it out strategy. It's just at some point I feel like it's just like, oh man, I'm rolling it out for years. Zoom, okay, looking good. 67.50. Boeing, not bad either. What's up with these stocks today? I almost said these effing stocks. SPY's now back above its like intraday trend. Come on. SPY's looking pretty good out of this trend line here. Breaking out pretty well. Come on. If it breaks 443.20 with some velocity, that could be pretty fun. Could be pretty fun. Wow, come on. All right, watch Boeing above 225. Maybe that'll have to be a play today. Getting up there above there. Meta, still looking pretty good. Look at that. Come on, Meta. Meta. That's pretty awesome with Meta there. Boom. That's pretty sick. Let's see what we got on that SM bot. Carvana calls. That's going to give you guys some fun stuff to look at today. CVNA. Dang, they are exploding. Looks like they hit resistance now, but still, that's a good move. Carvana. Interesting. Disney. 84.50 to the upside. Not bad. We'll take it. Boom. Nice stuff, Disney. That's beautiful. All right, SPY. Come on, SPY. Break 443.20. 443.20. Let's get up above there. I think that would be the time to enter into a good day trade there for a nice scalp up. If we get above there right now, that's gonna indicate a for sure trend break in my opinion. So. Yeah, I'm loving that setup with SPY. That's pretty cool. That's going to be huge right there. Look at that, guys. You guys saw it here on the stream first. It's breaking the trend. It's starting to look pretty damn good. 443.20 is the level I'm watching the upside. If it breaks, we could see some nice runs. This is also being called out in the bonus setups of the premium portion of the Discord. So if you are here and you are not in premium, you're getting this one for free. So that's the perks of joining up on the live stream, right? But looking pretty good. Got to break 443.20, but I'm loving the setup here. Loving the way it's heading up into this high. breaking the trend even a little bit. Oh, man, it's setting up so well. But it has to break this double top from today. That's the thing. Has to break it. Or else it's a no play. It's breaking right now. So let's see what it does, guys. Let's see. It is 9:30, though. I do have to run. It is a Monday. Sorry about that, guys. I appreciate you all joining up, though. And we're going to be live tomorrow and the rest of the week, probably for a little bit longer as well. But it's been a great day here so far today. I feel like we found a few good moves. It's just been really choppy, really slow on the overall side of things. But I feel like we've had a pretty good day as far as we found a couple good moves. SPY, Meta was moving. Zom, Oxy, couple things. QQQ puts got smoked. 443.20. They sell their puts. $443.20. What? Oh, you must mean SPY. My bad. Okay. All right, there we go. It's starting to double top. Double topping. We got to get a clear break going here. Damn. Too bad it rejected. I thought it was going to break. Oh. All right, still eyeing it up, though. I think it could still break as time goes forward today. Just, you know, on that hit, it didn't go through. That's looking pretty good, though. I would seriously just wait for a nice break. And when I say break, you know, like it can't just break like it did here. Go up by 2 cents and then go back down within the same 1 minute candle, right? Like we need some candles to close up above here. At least like a couple, 1 or 2 1 minute candles, right? At least. Come on, SPY. Let's go. Get some good movement. Those banks are still doing pretty good. Let's eye up that SM bot one more time. See what we have on that momentum before we leave. BX. I've never even heard of this one. BX. Blackstone. Well, maybe I have now. I just didn't know it was BX. But wow, they're starting to come up pretty good. This one had a big money play from like back in May. Interesting. Coming up pretty hard, though, today. I'll give it that. I see why it's on the SM bot. That's for sure. Disney calls are on the SM bot, too. Wow, Disney's almost to $85 after that big drop last week. Look at that daily. They made new lows of the year. Now they're coming back a little bit. We'll have to see if that's for real or not. I don't know. Hey, Llama, I appreciate you on that. You, too. Have a good day. Walk away with some profits today, guys. Remember, it's a little choppy out there. Never bad to end the day on a green day, especially when you're not seeing any big runs like this. Unless this is the type of movement you usually play for, but I don't play for this. Hey, no problem, Ponzi. Appreciate all you guys. Ponzi, Llama, Purdy, Mohan, Mohammed, Corbin, Mixter, Vincent, Easy Rider, Christian, Jamie, Martin, Rick, Joe. Appreciate you guys. I'm sorry, Joe. I'm sorry that we do the pre-stream. I'm sorry. Don't hate me for that. SPY, though, we need to get that break. It's trying. It's staying higher today, that's for sure. Boeing is about to break its high of day. Watch 225.50 to the upside. Looking pretty good so far. Enjoying that price action. Okay. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. And hey, before we check out on the stream today, I want to tell you guys one thing, and that is that, hey, I appreciate all of you guys. You guys make this live stream exactly what it is. And because of you guys, it's, you know, you guys really make the community out there. You make Stocked Up literally as fun as Stocked Up is, it's because of you guys, you know, at the end of the day. So we appreciate you guys out there. Round of applause to everybody, even the lurkers, even everybody that's not talking. You're all greatly appreciated, trust me. And the ones that do talk all the time, man, thank you guys so much. That is so helpful, of course. And just, you know, it's always good to get those plays out there and get everything culminating, get talking about some plays. Always helps people out. Other than that, though, let's go, guys. Let's have a great rest of the day. Hope everyone has a good one. Look at Boeing breaking that high. There we go. SPY still going. Watch these stocks. They've been hot today. Let's go.